South-eastern Red-tailed Black-Cockatoos, or red-tails for short, occur in a single population across the southeast of South Australia and the southwest of Victoria. Their habitat in SA ranges from Mount Gambier up to Keith, and in Victoria from Nelson up to Little Desert, with the total range covering 18,000 square kilometres. The cockies are widespread across this range and are highly nomadic, travelling large distances to search for the best feeding and nesting habitat. Red-tails are notoriously fussy eaters and only feed on the seeds of 3 tree species, which are brown and desert stringybark and bull oak trees. There are actually 5 different subspecies of red-tailed black-cockatoo which occur all over Australia. Our southeastern cockies are the smallest compared to the other subspecies, and our females also have the brightest colours. Our southeastern cockies are also the only subspecies that is endangered, with a population of between 1,000 and 1,500 birds. When viewing red-tails from afar, such as when they are flying overhead, it can be difficult to tell the difference between males and females, or even between red-tails and yellow-tailed black-cockatoos. We'll start off by explaining the difference between the two genders. Male red-tailed black-cockatoos have glossy black plumage with stunning red patches on their tails. They also have a grey-coloured bill. Female red-tails look quite different and have a duller black plumage compared to the male. Females have small yellow speckles on their head, neck and parts of their wing, and they have yellow barring on the underside of their bodies. Females also have barring in their tails, which are coloured yellow and greyed to orange or red at the tip. Juvenile birds have the same coloration as adult females, and it is very difficult to tell the difference between the two. Juveniles gain their adult plumage at 4 years of age. Another black cockatoo, which lives in the same areas as red-tails and can easily be mistaken for one, is the much more common yellow-tailed black cockatoo. You can distinguish between these two species by the colouring of the tail and by looking at their heads. Yellowtails have large yellow patches on their cheeks, which red-tails do not have. You can also tell them apart by their calls. Here is an example of a yellowtail call. This is an example of a red-tail call. If you want to be more involved in the red-tailed black-cockatoo recovery project, you can do so by reporting any sightings of the birds, by taking part in our annual cocky count, or by planting red-tail habitat trees on your property. For more information, you can contact the project coordinator or visit our website.